we got this screen, we got this screen, we got this screen. So overall, how many screens do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4 screens, right? And now it's, oh yeah, we got these 4 screens. This means our MCP is properly connected and it's working. And yeah, let's see. Now it's asking me which stitch screen should be the source of truth for the Astro build. So let me just doc detailed one, the theme number 2. So which one is the theme number 2? Let's say I think this is the theme number 2. Light one, original light, and let's say I'm asking the dark one with the dark one and the detailed one with more sections, because we have one with more sections, multi-page scaffold. So right now we are just building one page, right?
For the homepage, yeah, for like a mock-up.
Only the home page with Astro.js, and you know, we can connect our Cloud Flare, and we also have Astro.js MCP, right? So we can use that MCP to deploy it on Cloud Flare, right? Are you getting? Just like we deploy our sites on Vercel, the Next.js sites on Vercel. Similarly, we can deploy to our Astro.js sites on Cloudflare.
Right, got it.
So it's now building the right. Yeah, it's now building from that HTML because we got these 4 designs, but this is the detailed one with, you can see, with 10 sections, and this is the number 2. This means our MCP is working properly. So this is the feature I was waiting for. Last time when we discussed about Stitch, there were no MCP, right?
Right.
That we were discussing about Stitch, right?
Now it's connected. Right.
Yeah. So at that time there were no MCP, and right now we do have MCP. So we can build with Gravity, with Claude Code, with Cursor, whatever the AI tool we have, we can just build it. Now it's scaffolding the Astro.js, the package.js, and Astro config, the Tailwind CSS, because they are using Tailwind CSS, which is CSS library for designing, and Tailwind CSS, it's very lightweight, right? It renders the design whenever it needs, like dynamic rendering. So that's why Tailwind CSS, people prefer to use Tailwind CSS.
Gotcha.
Download all 15 design images locally. So it's now downloading those images that we have. Like these are the images, maybe around 15 to 20 images. And when it downloads all those images, so you can see we got these files, these images downloaded.
Oh, wow.
So I got another idea for it, because in Claude Code, you know, in Claude Code, we can't generate images.
Right.
Right. We can generate images inside Stitch and download those images where they're connected with MCP.
Now you can.
Yeah. Yeah, you see, look at this. We got all the images. Look at this. Look at this. High quality images.
Right.
Directly coming from
Stitch.
Yep. We downloaded all these images from Stitch. You got the 15 images downloaded, and all goes to assets, because maybe you noticed this is like, it's actually the same folder structure just like we have in Next.js, right? In Next.js we also do the source, the SRC, the source folder, then the assets where all of our static images, maybe some HTML files or maybe some CSS files goes here. So for now we are using images here. And yeah, our Tailwind CSS and other CSS stuff will go to our other files. And it's using Tailwind CSS version 3. So I can just check for the latest version, Tailwind CSS latest version. So I want to make sure Yeah, it's version 4, so it's using version 3. We can update it.
Mm-hmm.
And we have Astro 7 right now. Astro is latest version. It's version 7 right now. Yeah, V7. Look at this. And how we can test which version we are using. We are using version, I think, 12.3 and Astro version 7. So this means it's using versions. Yeah,
6.
let me just add a, yeah, uh 12 is latest version 4 and Astro version 7.0. And this is the Astro configuration, right? These are the configuration files. It's very similar to Next.js, React.js, because it's
Mhm.
JS. So yeah,
Yes, that is the goal.
and I like this part because you just design a very good design, because you can just play around with Stitch here, right? There is no code changes, nothing is changing. Finalize your design here and just connect it with via MCP, and you'll get the exact design without like further changing with code.
You can
Let's say
write
you
in
are
there.
not,
Can you fix things
yeah,
inside of it?
here,
Yeah.
yeah, it's very easy. Like you can
Yeah.
add, modify, you can change the design MD file,
Mhm.
because this file is your design system file, right? You
Right,
can see
right.
this
Gives
is
you all
your
the
design system file.
right.
Yeah, it gives you all the color palettes. Look at this. This is the design system. This is the design system, and I can change any, like, let me just show you.
You can change the text, how it's written.
Yes, yes.
Mhm.
Let me look at this. Change it.
Yeah. That okay, that's cool. That's
You
cool.
can upload an image. You can edit. You can edit with AI. Just ask it, hey,
Mhm.
here, you got the image. You got the section. Look at this. It's only showing me that specific section when I hover on this. When I
Mhm.
hover on this, it's showing me, and I just ask it, hey, change this text. But changing text is easy for me. Like I'm just looking at the, let's say this section, I want to change
Right.
this section, or maybe something like multiple sections at the same time. Look at this. This is the whole section. I can edit with AI. Look at this section. You can see
Mhm.
you can change
Yep.
a single section. Look at this. This is a section. So you can change a single section without going to Claude Code and change that. This is a very like effective way for me
Yeah.
and for you as well,
Yeah.
and for everyone.
So this is where you would build it, and then Claude will build it into a website using Astro. Those are the steps.
Yes.
The planning
Yeah.
starts in Stitch, finish off in Claude.
Yeah. Finish your design, all of your screens, because this is only
Mhm.
one screen, right? The homepage screen. Let's say we can then ask, let me just ask it, hey, build about us page, build a contact us page, build the other service, other of your services pages, right? Just ask it, hey, build it, and it's gonna start building those as well. Now we have, look at this, we have updated versions, right?
Oh my God, I
We
can
got
see
the
the
updated
same one
version.
as you. Bro, I'm in the same one.
Yeah, just
So
remix it, and you will be able to use it.
I'm gonna look at the white one.
Look at this, how fast things are getting changed.
Crazy.
Like you can build your dream design.
Mhm.
Look at this. We got the public, we got the fib icon, we got the nodes module. So we have Node.js installed there. So Node.js is working everywhere,
Mhm.
right? We got the components, and this is very similar to Next.js, to React.js, because in React.js we create components, we create layouts, we create styles, right? This is global.css, global styling. The layouts, we got the layouts. So this is the base layout, like your overall layout, the components, the assets, the node modules, the configuration, and all the stuff. You will see the dependencies here. So right now we are using these two dependencies. The Astro version is this. how we can start. So this is Astro diff, Astro build, Astro diff. So we can start with Astro diff, just like npm diff run for Next.js. So we got the description here, Astro plus Talent says, and we can use Astro plus shared CNL instead of Astro, right? Now it's run diff build to verify the site renders, and we will see how it's
Is
showing.
rendering? Is it rendering right now?
Actually building, it's building the production. So we can see, look at this. This is running Astro build. I just shown
Mhm.
you the Astro build to build your production, right? To preview, you can use this. To start, you can use this.
Mhm.
Look at this. We got 15 images to WebP, no errors. Let me verify Talent CSS4. CSS migration is working. By inspecting the build CSS, both missing one, so it's fixing all the stuff. And we got the Astro, the collections, the content, the types, and everything about the Astro. So this is the index.html, the docs. We got everything. Talent 4 theme mapped. So the theme got mapped, and yeah, tokens resolved. Preview server is up. So we can see the preview. So it's running the preview. Let me. All 14 sections rendered. The page is wide, and yeah, Chromium browser not found. So let's see, and we can install it on edit on Cloud Flare. We can create a Cloudflare account on here, right?
Mhm.
Let me just sign up with Cloudflare. So let me continue with Google. With
So
Google,
so Stitch is kind of like a Figma, right? And then
yes,
basically it's like a better Figma. I don't know. Actually, I never really used Figma.
yeah, an alternative to Figma. And yeah, the one interesting part is you can, let me just show you. You got this design, right? You just export
Right.
it. Click on export. Click on export. Select your Figma file. Select Figma, right? Let me
Mhm.
just select the Figma and convert it, copy it, paste it in Figma, and it will be editable in Figma,
Mhm.
like Figma
I see.
compatible. Oh, nice. So we got this, copy the prompt and all the stuff done. So we can just ask it to install. This is AI, workers AI, and a lot of stuff. They have the domains, the registration, and everything. So we can just ask it to let me open it. Okay, go on to deploy this Astro side on cloud there. How could you deploy me? I already have a account set up.
Is it free to host on Cloudflare?
Yes.
Kind of like Next.js?
So yeah, kind of like Vercel.
Vercel.
Yep. So we got this. Let me show this. So the hero renders beautifully. So everything is. It's actually checking the design, taking screenshots and all the stuff.
Mhm.
The static Astro side single no SSR adapter output is plain. The Cloudflare deployment. Let me check your tooling and at state. So we have Cloudflare MCP, and also we have Astro MCP. So yeah, we can use that, and we're gonna just deploy our site to Cloudflare. You are not authenticated, so it's authenticating. Started authentication. We will allow it to, hey, just authorize it.
Mhm.
And now, just like we do with Vercel, granted, so it's granted. Now it's click allow to authorize Wrangler. I don't know how to pronounce it. But we got the exact. So copy the prompt, build with your favorite AI agent, paste into an AI coding agent, install Cloudflare agent tooling. So look at this.
Mm.
We can, yeah, you are authenticated. So we are authenticated. We can just deploy our site to the Cloudflare. Wow. Now build and run an interaction test, mobile overflow. Wow, wow. It's running all the testings. Build is complete, built in, like everything is setting up. Deployed is so project created, now deploying the build. So it's actually deploying the build right now, and we can have maybe results, no results, investigate, workers, media, and performance. So we can see overview. We don't have any domain. We can have worker AI, compute.
You can host on Cloudflare, right?
Yes.
When you go like actual live.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the best part is you can directly purchase domain from Cloudflare, which
Mhm.
is also very cheap. And
So
also,
that's like hosting your. You can build a website, host it on their Astro website
look
on
at
Cloudflare.
this.
Oh wow!
Look
Wow.
at the design. Wow. The animations and
Mhm.
wow. Wow. Cool.
That's pretty cool. It's pretty much exact and sharp.
Yeah. Look at the design. Wow. Amazing.
That's pretty cool.
Kristen, well, going to be shocked
Tristan's gonna be
seeing
shocked.
this. Yeah.
I personally like the white version, but I think it's good to show them both. You know.
Yeah, you can just ask Claude, hey, hit the white version, and that's it.
Mhm.
Yeah. Let me just ask it. Hey, editor, light mode switch option is for
Oh, that would be so cool.
keeping everything exactly unchecked and unchanged. Just the uh the toggle, maybe toggle to switch between dark and light mode. And it's gonna start building dot. The site just built consistent, that deploy setup and all the stuff is done. The deployment is already done. I can just add a new message and it's gonna start working. And look at this, like very similar, very because because Claude got the exact HTML file from Stitch. Wow.
Are
Look
you
at
able to
this.
do a button that switches it light dark?
Yeah, I added.
What?
Now it's up to Claude. It will add very soon.
Mhm. That is
Yeah,
freaking cool.
but the design is awesome.
Yeah.
We can keep both, like yeah, working. We can
Mhm.
work on both. Yeah, I already converted a workflow to Astro.js. So
Yeah.
after doing all the research, it's gonna be building websites on Astro.
Oh
So
wow.
I have,
Oh, now you gotta make a second workflow if we want to build. Yeah, you're gonna have to do another workflow, right? For Astro.js.
now the deployment updated. Let's see. Here is your light
Oh
version.
wow.